Physalis plants. Physalis is a genus of flowering plants in the nightshade family, Solanaceae, which also includes tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants. They are native to the Americas and Australasia, with a significant number of species found in Mexico. A defining characteristic of Physalis plants is the papery, lantern-like husk or calyx that encloses the fruit. The name Physalis comes from the ancient Greek word for bladder, a reference to this inflated protective husk. Commonly known species include Cape gooseberry, Physalis peruviana, also called goldenberry or ground cherry. This plant produces a small, round, orange-yellow fruit with a sweet, tangy flavor often compared to a mix of pineapple and grape. Tomatillo, Physalis philadelphica, a staple in Mexican cuisine. The fruit is green to purple and used to make salsas and other dishes. Chinese lantern, Physalis alcakenyi. This species is primarily grown for its vibrant, bright orange to red husks, which are used for ornamental purposes. While the berries are edible when ripe, they have a slightly bitter taste. Physalis plants are generally herbaceous, growing as annuals in temperate climates and perennials in warmer regions. They typically require full sun and well-drained soil. The fruits of many species are edible when ripe, but the unripe fruits and other parts of the plant are poisonous due to the presence of alkaloids.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get more new videos.
Physalis, also known as goldenberries or Cape gooseberries, is a small, tangy fruit with a papery husk that offers a variety of health benefits. Here's a breakdown of some of the key advantages of including Physalis in your diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Physalis is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports your immune system, promotes wound healing, and is essential for healthy skin. Vitamin A and beta-carotene. These are crucial for vision health, and a diet rich in these nutrients can help prevent age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Withanolides. This is a class of natural steroids found in Physalis that has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties.
2. Supports digestive health. Physalis is a good source of dietary fiber, which is vital for a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to prevent constipation by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements, support a healthy gut microbiome by providing food for beneficial gut bacteria, and help manage blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of carbohydrates.
3. Boosts the immune system. Thanks to its high content of vitamin C and other antioxidants, Physalis can help strengthen your immune system. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a key role in the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections.
4. Promotes bone and joint health. Physalis contains important minerals and vitamins for strong bones, including vitamin K, a fat-soluble vitamin that is a necessary component of bone and cartilage and is involved in bone metabolism. Calcium and phosphorus. These minerals are vital for building and maintaining bone density.
5. May help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. The presence of phytochemicals like polyphenols, carotenoids, and soluble fiber in Physalis may contribute to heart health. These compounds can help regulate blood pressure and lower bad or LDL cholesterol levels, which reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. Important note: it is crucial to only consume ripe Physalis. Unripe berries contain solanine, a toxic compound naturally found in the nightshade family, which can cause digestive issues. The ripe fruit will be a golden orange color.
Physalis, with its unique sweet and tart flavor, is a versatile fruit that can be used in a wide variety of dishes, both sweet and savory. Its distinctive taste, often described as a mix of pineapple, mango, and tomato, makes it a great ingredient for adding a burst of flavor to many recipes. Here are some of the things you can make with Physalis: jams, jellies, and preserves. This is one of the most popular uses for Physalis. Its natural pectin content and tangy flavor make it perfect for creating delicious jams and preserves. You can use it alone or combine it with other fruits like plums or green tea. Desserts. Physalis adds a vibrant and exotic touch to many desserts. You can use them to make pies and crumbles. Their tartness pairs well with sweet fillings and crusts. Cakes and scones. They can be baked into scones, muffins, or cheesecakes for a unique flavor. Coulis and sauces. A simple Physalis coulis is a great topping for ice cream, cheesecake, or other desserts. Chocolate-dipped Physalis. The classic way to enjoy them is to dip the fresh berries in melted chocolate. Garnish. The berries, with their papery husks pulled back, make for a beautiful and elegant garnish on cakes and other dishes. Salads. Physalis can be used in both fruit and savory salads. Fruit salad. Their tangy flavor complement other fruits like mango and pineapple. Savory salad. They work surprisingly well in savory dishes, adding a zesty kick to green salads with ingredients like mozzarella, mint, and rocket. Sauces and chutneys. The flavor profile of Physalis, reminiscent of tomatoes, makes it a great ingredient for savory sauces. You can use it to create chutneys or a unique salsa, pico de gallo, that pairs well with chicken or fish. Breakfast foods. Add them to your morning routine for a flavor and nutrient boost. Smoothies. Blend them into your favorite fruit or green smoothie. Yogurt and granola. Top your yogurt or granola bowl with fresh Physalis for a tangy contrast. Oatmeal and chia pudding. Stir them into your oatmeal or add them to an overnight chia pudding. Drinks. Physalis can also be used to create refreshing beverages. Liqueur. You can make a homemade Physalis liqueur with vodka, white wine, and other spices. Cocktails and mocktails. Muddle them in a cocktail or use them as a garnish.
How to make Physalis drinks. Physalis can be used in a variety of drinks, from simple smoothies to more complex cocktails. Here are some ideas. Physalis smoothie. This is one of the most popular ways to enjoy Physalis in a drink, as it's quick and easy. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh Physalis, husked and washed. 1 to 2 frozen bananas for creaminess and sweetness. 1 cup of a liquid base, like water, milk, dairy or non-dairy, or orange juice. A sweetener, like honey or dates, optional to taste. A pinch of cayenne pepper, cinnamon, or other spices, optional for flavor. Instructions: combine all ingredients in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve immediately. Physalis juice. For a simple and refreshing juice, you can blend Physalis with other fruits or a liquid base. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh Physalis. The juice of 1 to 2 limes or oranges, water or coconut water to your desired consistency, a touch of sugar or other sweetener, optional. Instructions: blend the Physalis with the lime or orange juice until smooth. Strain the mixture to remove any seeds or pulp if you prefer a clearer juice. Add water or coconut water to thin the mixture to your liking. Sweeten as needed and serve over ice. Physalis cocktails and mocktails. The unique flavor of Physalis makes it an excellent ingredient for both alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Physalis Pisco Sour cocktail. Blend 14 ounces Physalis with 2 tablespoons powdered sugar and the juice of 2 limes. Strain the mixture. In a separate blender, add 2 cups of Pisco, half a cup of gum syrup, and 1 egg white. Beat until smooth, then add ice and blend to a frappé consistency. Combine the 2 mixtures and serve immediately. Frozen Physalis, beer-based cocktail. Pour 0.35 ounces lemon juice, 1.5 ounces passion fruit syrup, and 3 ounces of light beer into a blender. Add a scoop of crushed ice and blend. Pour into a chilled glass and garnish with a Physalis fruit. How to make Physalis tea. Physalis tea is typically made as an herbal infusion, much like fruit or herbal teas. Here are a couple of ways you can do it. 1. Simple Physalis infusion. Ingredients: fresh Physalis, hot water. Instructions: husk and thoroughly wash a handful of ripe Physalis. You can either roughly chop them or gently crush them to release their juices. Place the prepared Physalis in a teapot or mug. Pour hot but not boiling water over the fruit. Let it steep for 10 minutes, or longer for a stronger flavor. Strain and enjoy. You can add honey or another sweetener if you prefer. 2. Physalis tea with other ingredients. You can combine Physalis with other ingredients to create a more complex flavor profile. Popular combinations include with green tea. Combine fresh or dried Physalis with green tea leaves. The Physalis adds a fruity, sweet tart note to the grassy flavor of green tea. With hibiscus. This is a popular combination. The tartness of both Physalis and hibiscus flowers creates a vibrant, refreshing drink. You can use dried hibiscus flowers and fresh Physalis for a beautiful color and a tangy taste.
With ginger or cinnamon, adding a slice of fresh ginger or a cinnamon stick can give your Physalis tea a warm, spicy undertone, which is great for cooler weather. It's important to remember that Physalis has a long history of use in traditional medicine. The scientific research on its health benefits is still ongoing. As with any new food or drink, it's best to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet.
Thank you for watching video. Please like, comment, and share this video.